6453 Poplar virtual tour. Let's go inside. This is, by the way, this is a you could get 4 cars. That's a tandem 2-car right there. So you have a 4-car garage on this one. It's very nice, great neighborhood. This is a 4-bedroom 2-bath property, and it is spectacular. So you can see here, here's the LTV, recessed lighting, very nice living room, big living room. Got you a closet there. Also, we redid the entryway. So let's go in here. So here's your first bedroom. There's 2 bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the house. Again, new LTV, paint, plugs, switches, lights. Here's the second one. So these are nice, good sized bedrooms. And here's your bathroom. That was just redone here. The bathroom was, it's like brand new, new toilet, awesome flooring. Here's your 3rd bedroom. All have closets, vinyl windows. Just a great place to call home. You also have a dining room here and a remodeled kitchen. Here's this. So you have, this is your dining room. You have recess there. And you have this great looking new kitchen, 3cm granite, new dishwasher, gas cooking. There's a microwave. Just a nice place. It's got a little area here if you want to put a breakfast bar or you want to put your food there. And then you got a big bedroom back here and another bathroom. So this is your other bedroom. It's a big bedroom. So you can use this as a separate exit to the back there. You have a little backyard here, central air. And then your bathroom's right here. So this is it. This is a big tub, shower, and here's the laundry room too. So it's a really nice place. This is the end of your virtual tour. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath in Independence, Ohio. Thanks.